Let's create some levels to move in between. So this is the scene main menu. So I'm just going to duplicate it and change some things to make the whole process quicker. Scene win. And I'm just going to save that as scene lose. Oh, hang on. I'll make the changes first, and then I'll make it scene lose. Okay, so I'm going to have a message and a button going back to the main menu. So the options button can go. And the quit button. A bit closer. And button quit is now button main menu. Give it main menu 0. Okay, that's one where the tiling didn't quite work. Let's just go 0.8. 0.8, 0.1. Yeah, okay. That's the main menu tiling. It's a little bit different. Okay, so that's going to be a button. We're going to play a button message. What's not that? Text message. So it's going to be. Okay, so it's not going to be a button anymore. Let's just go untag, so it won't change color now. And this is scene win. We made it. And we've got to change the tiling. Still too squishy. One is still working. Okay, that looks pretty good. Made it. Okay, so when you have one button, which is the main menu, you have the text message, you made it. Save that scene. Now we can save that scene moves. So all we have to do is change the message. Our text message is now customized. 5, 0.8, something like that. Still some clipping. 0.1. There we go, and just fit that message in. Save that scene. Yep, button main menu. Because now we're going to put the logic in that's going to be able to swap between all these three scenes we just created. So we have a scene main menu, go to a scene play actually, and then from the play we'll choose a win or lose, and from the win or lose we'll come back to the main menu. But we're going to do that just using that one menu mouse look script that's the same through all of them. At this point here, where we get the mouse button down to choose what button we've hit, we're going to do a switch case based on the button name. So that way we can manage all our scenes on one script, just like we've done there, instead of having to build a different script for every level. Okay, well let's just make a blank scene as well. That's for scene playing. Okay, let's just make a script for scene playing. This is going to be a basic script. Nope. I've already done all that part. Application load level that should be it. So I've just created a dummy scene that pretends we're playing the game, and we can choose if we win or lose. So even if we start from the playing scene, let's see if we can skip scenes. So let's go to win. Of course. Alright, so I was trying to, but now we need to set up the build settings. Just jumped one stage ahead there. So, like I said before, you usually want to start with the first scene that gets loaded when you first play your game. That would be the main menu. And you'd be playing, and hopefully you have a scene win, but most likely you have a lose first. I might even swap that around. There we go. Play menu, playing lose. Okie doke, so we've got our scenes in the build. So let's go to the lose scene. So we've lost our mind. And only, yeah, that's only text. It tells us we've hit the button main menu, so everything's working there. Go to the win scene. Made it. Main menu. Okay. Now if we go to the main menu scene, that's what we had before. Just select. Okay. So now, back into our main menu script, we're going to build this switch case based on the Hit Collider game object name. Okay, let's just cross-check all our scenes. All our buttons. Case. Let's just do main menu first. One of our options, play, quit. options, play, quit. Okay, so for each one of these, we're going to be loading. So if we hit the button main menu, go to application, load level, scene main menu. Options, we don't have a scene for options. Okay, whoops, I haven't built all my scenes. But yeah, okay, get the idea. Just make it so nothing happens there. So play, scene, play. If the button quit, this is what I need to explain. Quit does not work in editor or web build. Okay, so we're going to look at application quit. Okay, quit is ignored. I shouldn't say it's not doesn't work. It doesn't break or anything. It just does not do anything. It is ignored in the editor or the web player. Okay. But otherwise, if you do a standalone build, use this line here. Application quit, and it will end the game. Okay. So now we should have a fully functioning menu. Quit. Okay, so let's just debug. Actually, we could do something smart here. Hash if Unity editor. Unity editor. Okay, so this is compilation stuff. Alright, let's see what have I done there with that groovy yellow writing. Unity compilation dependent. Platform dependent compilation, there we go, something like that. So we can get our code to execute different kinds of things based on what platform it is running on. Like this is perfect for like if you have mouse inputs for a web build or use touch inputs for an iOS build. You can use the same one bit of code. Unity underscore editor. Okay, perhaps I should be using that. No, if Unity underscore editor and if. There we go, there's all the examples there of what I'm talking about. So we can debug if we're in the editors to tell us that we are hitting the quit, but it doesn't work in the editor mode. That's what I'm trying to do. So if capitals Unity underscore editor. Okay. Alright. And I've missed a semicolon somewhere. Okay, there we go. Totally irrelevant to the compilation, platform dependent compilation stuff. Alright, so in the same menu, this should all be put together and working. So let's test the quit first. The quit says, yes, quit does not work in editor. Options. The mouse is going to break. Options. It's making debug for us now. Okay, icons, it begins. Okay, so let's go to the win scene. Made it. Menu. Back to the main menu. Begins. Lose this time. Step 9. Menu. Options. Nothing. It begins when. Okay, so there it is, a 3D menu set. I do have to muck around with the mouse script that I just built quickly there. I know there's something weird with it just jumping to the right. I think I'm just going to have to do a standalone build and see Yeah, no, there's something weird. It's definitely jumping to the right. Don't know why. So I'll work on that. But apart from that, there is pretty much the basics of making your own 3D menu.